Ooh, are you doing this fine Wednesday afternoon as I record this, and the weather has been glorious. I've had a day off today from work, my rotational day off, and I've been waiting for these. They came this afternoon, so I just thought I'd do a little unboxing. Which one first? We'll go for this one. Slick Boys. Just got an old gem blade. I hope the lighting's okay. I'm using the natural light. It doesn't always go in my favour. So we'll get this one open. I know a couple of people have asked about the internet, the upgrade in the last shave video. I haven't caught up with the comments yet. Time's just not been on my side. But thank you so much for your comments, guys. Just keep them coming. Love them. And on the extra video, the day it worked. You know what? I did that 2 years ago, and I put it in a different file on my laptop. The usual sweetie stick from Slick Boys. Thanks, Finn. Right, I've been waiting for Slick Boys to get this in. Super. Noblotta Joker. What a fantastic label. I love Noblotta's labels. And it's citronella, lavender, saffron, cardamom, amber, patchouli, sandalwood, olibanum, and musk. Notes sound right up my street. I absolutely love that label. There's the pour. Oh wow, that's really pleasant. It's not a powerful scent to my nose. I would give it a 4. It's quite subtle. That's nice. I really like Noblotta soaps. Yeah. And of course we have the matching splash. Careful, this one last time it fell in the sink. Nicely sealed. Get this open. But you hate that when you get like plastic seals or wraps or anything like that, and the static it sticks to your fingers. There we go. Looks like it's got skin food in that. Oh yeah, that's nice. Yeah, I can smell the lavender, but it's not overpowering. I can smell the musk. You got that hint of the sandalwood there as well, just up underneath the lavender. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I hope you can see that. I should have blocked it off really. Right, next one. This is from Nice for Shaves, which is a site on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description anyway. So what we have, careful this blade, I need to get a fine draper. Mrs. B used it and we can't find it now. Should probably put it away somewhere. Nicely wrapped. It's a couple of brushes I've wanted for a while. Well that. It's different, it's like the old style. I'm holding it down here because I don't need to see them yet. Yeah, I hope I find you well, guys. Have you had anything new lately? Just want to rip this open. Either I'm getting weak or plastic's getting stronger. There we go. Ta-da! 2 Yaki brushes. Right, do this one first. I love Yaki brushes. Sean Connery. great value. The Dandelion 24mm, and it is a cashmere knot. I don't know whether it's there or in the den. I don't think I've got a cashmere knot brush. That's nice and soft. Bit of backbone. Next one. This is the Yaki 24mm twist. Oh, that's nice. That's soft. Absolutely beautiful. So there you go. Looking forward to using them. Right, that's it really. It's just a quick unboxing. I just wanted to share the new gear in the den with you. And I'll see. I've just done the thumbnail for the next shave. And I'll give you an update on the internet. In the shave. There's something to talk about. So yeah, that's it guys. Looking forward to trying the Noble Otter. It won't be in the next shave. The shave will either be up tonight or tomorrow morning. Definitely. Right, that's it from me, and I'll see you at the shave. Take care guys. Have a good rest of the Wednesday and stay smooth and stay safe. See you later guys. Bye.